ORLY, O'Reilly Automotive. Imagine that. $40 tanking in the after hours. What happened? They missed the earnings. That's exactly what happened, Tommy Trader. We got shorts. O'Reilly was up $17 before they released a report. Oh, yeah. And we knew right then we had to buy the put options. And that's exactly what we did. That was at the time. We were buying the 1040 puts. The low was 1186 and the high is 1697. That's going to be a home run because the stock is dropping $40 in the after hours market. Once again, it was inflated, and AutoZone will be the next one to go down. And this is the big after hours short in play right here, right now. Tommy Trader, TurboOptionTrading.com. Sign up for that free 5-day trial.